Hey, did you reset the oil? The light. Hi guys. So, isn't this car cool? It's nice, right? All right, I'm gonna finish up. I gotta go inside real quick, guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel at Fearless Convo. That's not the travel channel. It's Woosahtravelers. Oh no, you did right. You did right. At Fearless Conversations, yeah, you did right. Is there a way you can put a link in there? Hey Ming, how are you? Is there a way? Happy Saturday, guys. Is there a way you could put the? No, you're fine, sweetheart. No, you did a great job. No, you did. You did exactly what I asked you to do. You did perfectly. You ready? Okay. No, you did great. You did great. Happy Saturday, guys.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Could you write down San Pedro?
Sounds good. Yep.
Yeah, and yeah, I want to go there since there's a direct. I might just go there now.
You need to go to Roatan.
Write everything there. Write it down where I need to go. Write it. Yeah, I just need to know where I can find another version of you there. All right, where are the rest of you? All right, San Pedro. Sweet. All right, thank you. Have a beautiful weekend.
Thank you.
Okay. All right. You ready, chat? Let's roll. Happy Saturday. Yeah, this is awesome.